putting them here. Or not here. I should look in Sue's room. Sue must have taken them, right?
Am I disturbing you, Sam?
Oh, I've been looking for you.
In my jewelry box?
Well, maybe.
Fine. Actually, I've come to ask you if you've seen my keys.
Have you lost them too?
What do you mean, too?
Oops, I've completely forgotten. I promised to play with Fluffy. We'll talk later.
Sam, how are you playing with Fluffy without Fluffy?
Well, cats shouldn't eat sweets, don't you know? Guys, if you knew this, give this video a thumbs up.
Yeah, right. Let's return to our conversation, Sam. Where are my keys?
Oh, take a seat, Sue, and I'll tell you my story. It was late in the evening. I got a very strange email. I thought it was a message from people who watch our videos on YouTube. But it turned out they invited me to a casting session for a TV series about slimes.
What does this have to do with my keys?
Well, you see, I needed to come up with an image for the series. I had to visit the shop 1,000 times. First a new costume, and a new hat, then new glasses, and even a hairdresser. I ran back and forth so much I first lost my keys. Then I took yours and lost them too.
What should I do with you?
Forgive me. I'll give you some chocolate.
No, I have a better idea. First, let's make a deal. No taking other people's stuff without asking first.
But
No buts. Let's ask our viewers. Guys, write in the comments below that Sam should always ask for permission.
Fine. If our viewers write it, it's a deal. What are these sheets?
These are our future keychains.
Wow, why are they different?
Dinosaurs are for me.
Oh, and these monsters are for me?
That's right, so someone won't confuse my keys with theirs and lose them.
Here we go. I've apologized.
The first step is cutting out the base along the outline neatly. Ooh, a diplodocus. It was one of the real giants of the late Jurassic period. On average, it reached 27 meters in length, and sometimes even 35.
Right. I'll deal with my monsters myself.
Are you sure?
It's a piece of cake, Sue.
Right. We've cut out our base. By the way, guys, do you know the name of the science that studies dinosaurs? Write in the comments below. And now...
Here come monsters! See how neatly I cut them out?
It's great, but it gets more difficult. Now we need to turn our imagination on and color our keychains beautifully.
Slimes can easily turn their imagination on.
Then let's hold a competition for the prettiest keychain. And our viewers will write which one is the best.
Challenge accepted. You're gonna lose.
Hey, winner! You've forgotten something. Dinosaurs are a very interesting topic. For example, their remains have been found by scientists on all continents of the world, even the Antarctic.
Have monsters been found anywhere?
Alas, I have no idea. Right, my dinosaurs are done. Sam, how are your monsters doing?
Sue, what do we need baking paper for? We're making keychains, not cookies.
To turn the pictures into keychains, we need to put them in the oven.
My wonderful monsters into the hot oven? No way!
Nothing bad's going to happen to them. You'll see they'll become even prettier.
My precious, if it's too hot for you, scream and I'll save you!
And now the magic transformation begins.
Wow, they've become so beautiful.
Here comes the last step.
And I'll get our new keys.
Let's insert the chain. Done!
Here are our new keys.
Great! This will be your keychain. And this one is mine.
Guys, if you liked our idea for making keychains, give this video a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
I got so inspired by this magical idea that I really want to read a fairy tale now.
Well, what about Alice in Wonderland?
Just what I need. I'm off.
Great! I'll go buy some glitter.
Who's that? A rabbit? Why does this rabbit seem so familiar? Hey, wait! Rabbit, hi! Where are you going? We need to catch that rabbit! He's so tricky! Aha! What's he doing there? I mustn't be late! Oh, I wonder what for. That's my kind of jam. It was worth all this running. Oh, it was just a dream? Ooh, the dreams I get these days.
Oh! Sam, I thought you were reading. Now I have to clean it up.
No, wait! Aha!
Oh, Sammy, you can't eat this.
But now I can say for sure, I saw such glitter in my dream!
Really?
Yes. There was this tea party and then beautiful cups.
Oh, I was going to decorate mugs with this glitter.
You were? Oh, and I also saw a rabbit. It was very...
Like this one?
Well, something like that. You made this one for me, right?
That's right. Guys, do you remember why I made this bunny for Sam? Write in the comments.
Enough about bunnies. What's up with the mugs?
Come, I'll show you. I was choosing which glitter to use for our mug decoration. This one or maybe this one.
Why choose? In my dream, there was this color switch. Gradient?
Gradient? Ooh, this is a great idea.
The only kind I have.
We'll turn this ordinary mug into a magical one.
Let me see. In my dream, there was very delicious tea.
Okay, I get the hint. Now I'll take the tape and...
Oh, I forgot. I need to, check something.
Check something? Right. Just admit that you're still afraid of tape.
What you need it for? There was no tape in my dream.
I want glitter only on the bottom part of the mug.
Ah, I see. All right then, you continue. And the tape, went to take a nap.
Let it nap then. Even tape needs a nap. First, I need to cover the mug with glue. Oh, I forgot to bring the glue.
Don't worry, I'll go get it.
All right, thanks.
Hurry, quick! Slime Sam's on an important mission! Right. Where? Nope. Nope again. Aha! Oh no! It fell! Fine. I'll jump after it. And off we go. This glue?
Oh, no, Sammy. I need the one in a bottle.
Oh, I'll be right back. haven't found it.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Sammy. It was here all along. It happens. But now I can continue. I'll pour the glue into a bowl. And now I need to spread it over the surface of the mug.
Glue this glue to yourself. We use it in crafts all the time anyway.
I'll glue something to you.
Oh! Scaring me with glue. Now I want to wash myself just in case. Why do I keep coming here? I have my own bathroom. Oh, fine. I can use a... Oh! Feels good. Carefully now. I don't want to get all wet. Oh! Like this. Oh, wait! I wanted to help Sue! Let's go! And in this. It's gonna be amazing!
Now it's glitter time! Sam! Well, this won't hurt. Guys, do you remember what items had similar labels in Alice in Wonderland? Write in the comments. I'll take the mug and start sprinkling glitter over it.
As the instructions have told you.
Yeah. I've started with the darkest shade.
Where's the tea? Let's see.
To get the gradient effect, I'll mix two shades together. And sprinkle the mug with the new color.
To check them all and select the best. Oh, this one's weird. This one doesn't smell like anything. This one will do.
Only the lightest shade is left. Gradient, Sam. How many times do I have to correct you? Go and practice saying the word.
Gradient. Oh!
Now I'll brush off the excess.
Don't brush off all of it.
Don't worry. Now, I need to cover the glitter with a new layer of glue to secure it. Well done, Sammy. Now we need to leave the mug to dry.
Don't just sit around. Make another one.
Oh!
I can't even tell if I'm dreaming or not. Hey, it's that weird tea.
Oh, sorry. This is the one you picked.
That's better.
Guys, give a thumbs up if you like this idea of turning an ordinary white mug into a Wonderland one.
Try new color combinations and send us photos or videos.
Bye! Guys, while Sam and I are drinking tea, thinking of a new video for you, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell button. Thanks!